Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how you have a mental remote control. We've all heard of the phrase, your mind is a power. But do we really know what this means? Video explore what this means using a simple analogy. Think of your mind as a TV in your living room. TV has all kinds of channels. Some channels, others don't. When you watch the news, when you watch a funny video, or when you scroll through social media, each of these things is the channel in your mind. Mood. Flipping through the channels on a TV, remote control. And in a way, your mind has a sort of remote control that dictates which thoughts you focus on. Your 60,000 thoughts every day. Most of them just happen. Fortunately, you can control your thoughts. How the first step in your eye. Imagine what it would be like if you could only to have positive thoughts. How would that be? It might sound impossible. In practice, it can become a reality. The ability to control your thoughts. You can improve your mood and well-being. To be aware of thoughts. Everyone has negative thoughts from time to time. It's normal and it's okay. But it's important not to dwell on them. Negative thoughts can be like a broken record that plays the same tune over and over in your head. They can make you feel bad about yourself or bring you down. But you can break the cycle by becoming more aware of your thoughts. When you notice that you're having a negative thought, just let it go. Don't fight it or try to change it. Just let it go and move on to something more positive. The third step is to start thinking positively. When you catch yourself having a negative thought, try to replace it with a positive one. For example, instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I can figure this out. Instead of, I'm so stupid, say, I'm so smart and capable. By practicing positive self-talk, you can begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. The fourth step is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help you change the channel in your mind. When you're grateful for something, you can't help but feel good. So take some time each day to think about all the things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as having a roof over your head, or food to eat. Or it could be something more profound like friendship or love. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life, you can gradually shift your mindset from negative to positive. The fifth step is to visualize your success. Visualization is a technique used by many successful people to stay motivated and focused. When you visualize, you create a mental image of yourself achieving your goals. This can help you stay on track and keep moving forward even when things get tough. So take a few minutes each day to close your eyes and visualize your success. See yourself achieving your goals and feel the emotions associated with that success. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your desires and achieve your dreams. The sixth step is to affirm your power. When you say positive statements about yourself, you're sending a message to your subconscious mind. This can help reprogram your thinking and create a more positive mindset. So, start by affirming your power with statements like, I am powerful, or I am capable. As you continue to repeat these affirmations, you'll begin to believe them more and more. And as you believe them, you'll start to see positive changes in your life. In conclusion, you have the power to choose your thoughts. Your mind is like a TV, and your thoughts are the channels. With practice, you can learn to control the remote control of your mind and choose only to focus on positive thoughts. Be aware of your negative thoughts, start thinking positively, practice gratitude, visualize your success, and affirm your power. By following these steps, you can change the channel in your mind and create a more positive and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a comment below and share it with your friends. We would also appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have many more videos like this one that we know you'll enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you are feeling stuck and don't know where to start, remember that seeking help from a qualified mental health professional can be a great first step towards healing and growth. You deserve to live a life that you're proud of, and with the right support, you can get there. So don't wait any longer. Reach out to a therapist today and start taking control of your mental health. You're worth it.